Contrary to social media posts from the disinformation or disinfo nation to die-hard Duterte minions, results of the latest survey in the country show 62% of Filipinos believe in the rule of law and favor the former president to stand trial in the ICC for his alleged crimes against humanity. Armela Desmoras hashes over the details in this report.
Majority of Filipinos believe it is important for former President Rodrigo Duterte to personally face trial at the International Criminal Court in The Hague, Netherlands. Based on the latest survey of WR Numero research firm, 62% of respondents agree with this, 20% disagree, and 19% are unsure. For some members of Congress, this only proves that the actions taken by our authorities on the issue are supported by many Filipinos. According to House Committee on Justice Vice Chair Jervy Luistro, as the administration has long been explaining, the government did not cooperate directly with the ICC but rather with Interpol, of which the Philippines remains a member. She also clarified the issue regarding the ICC's jurisdiction.
There is jurisdiction because the acts were committed during the time that the Philippines is still a member state. About why the Philippines cooperated, because Philippines is a member of the Interpol. We need the Interpol. Kailangan po natin sila to protect our country, to protect us from our aggressors, because kapag international na ang scope ng criminal actions.
As of now, there are also reports that in the coming days, the ICC is allegedly set to issue arrest warrants against those who were allegedly accomplices of Duterte in his bloody war on illegal drugs. For House Assistant Majority Leader Zia Alonto Adjong, it is now up to the government to decide how to handle the situation should it happen.
This is entirely within, I guess, the administration has been very consistent in saying that we no longer deal with the ICC. But as to the jurisdiction where the ICC gains its, yung kanyang kaso against the former president, the timeline kung saan nangyari itong mga allegations of yung crime against humanity happened when the time the Philippines was a party and a member of the Rome Statute. So let's see how this will unfold.
Earlier, Vice President Sara Duterte also traveled to The Hague to attend to her father's needs, but she just came back. According to Luistro, who is also part of the House prosecution team, now that the Vice President is back, she hopes the Senate will begin the impeachment trial.
Ito pong impeachment trial na ito, hindi lang para sa prosecutors. Ang impeachment trial na to ay para sa ating Vice Presidente din. Because this will give her the ample opportunity to clear her name with respect to all the allegations which are being imputed against her.
From PTV, Mela Desmoras, Balitang Pambansa.